What does NASA, Hubble, and JWST have in common next week? Well, I'm sure a lot of things, but the one thing they will be doing is watching the Double Asteroid Redirection Test, or DART for short. 'Cause NASA. What is the program? What is it trying to discover? And how could this save your life? All that and more. I'm Michael Patterson, and this is Science Now, my new channel where we dive into topics on the latest science and space news. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and share with someone that loves to learn about space and science. So, what is the DART mission? NASA's Double Asteroid Redirection Test mission will test a method of deflecting an asteroid for planetary defense using a technique called kinetic impact. Essentially, they're slamming a small satellite into an asteroid named Dimorphos. This small asteroid is only the size of the Pyramid of Giza. This asteroid poses no threat to the Earth. It's actually captured in a gravity well from a larger asteroid, Didymos, who also poses no threat to the Earth. So why slam a perfectly good satellite into an asteroid that poses no threat to humanity? Well, to test to see if it's a viable way to protect the Earth from other dangerous asteroids if one does appear, by slightly redirecting the doomsday asteroid and possibly save humanity if the mission is successful. Okay, so we know why we're slamming a satellite into Dimorphos, but how will we know if it works? See, as I mentioned, Dimorphos circles Didymos. If it is successful, the resulting kinetic energy will deform the trajectory of the captured asteroid. The impact will ever so slightly disrupt the orbit of Dimorphos. That's where JWST, Hubble, and the concurrent NASA mission Lucy come into play. These satellites will be recording the whole mission as it gets closer to impact. Scientists are hoping to get a lot of useful data from watching the impact. The system is composed of Didymos at a diameter of 780 meters, the smaller moonlet asteroid Dimorphos at a diameter of about 160 meters. Currently, the orbital period of Dimorphos is 11 hours 55 minutes, and the distance between the two planets is 1.18 kilometers. The head-on collision will shorten the time it takes for the moonlet to orbit by only a few minutes, which I find amazing that they'll be able to figure out that just a few minute change in its orbital pattern. The mass of the DART spacecraft at the time of impact is projected to roughly be 570 kilograms, depending on how much fuel is used prior to the kinetic impact event. The mass of Dimorphos has not been directly measured, but the best estimate puts it at about 5 billion kilograms. The cooperative mission was developed and led by NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office and Johns Hopkins University of Applied Physics Lab, and is projected to be observed by multiple land and space telescopes on September 26, 2022 at 7:14 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you have any more questions, please leave it in the comments below. Well, that's it for this episode of Science Now. Please leave a like, share with someone that loves to learn about space and science, and if you are subscribed and have the bell icon on, you're awesome, and I'll see you in the next episode. Take care and goodbye.